bot.py, enter. And here we got the final output. After failure 2 times, the code was correct, but the problem was the indentation in Python code. So let's write hi. See, here we got a message from the AI. Hello, how can I assist you today? What is RAG? What is RAG? See, here we got the messages here. Who is the Prime Minister India? Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. The first thing we need to import some packages, which are I already installed. So these are the packages. Import Streamlit as st, and second one from OpenAI import OpenAI. These two packages must install, libraries must install, and after that, just for the time saving, I have added my API key and the title which it displays on the web browser. From now onwards, the real coding part. First, I need to save the sessions first. So for that, if messages not in st.sessionState. What is st here? This Streamlit will maintain our sessions. Then st.sessionState.messages. Messages is equals to an array. Now I want to display all the previous messages also. The user entered. Why? Whenever user enter prompts, hit the enter button, it refreshes the pages. So I need to maintain the session state. So for message in st.sessionState.messages. Now I'm adding with st.chatMessage role. I'm adding the role between double quotes. I'm adding the role. st.write method, write function. In the write message, I'm adding content. Now after that, now I need to create a chat box. So if prompt colon is equals to st.chat_input. Here I am asking, you can write anything, ask anything. Now the next step in the if prompt, I want to save the user message in the session. So st.sessionState.messages.append method. In this append method, between curly brackets, I need to assign the role. What role? User role. User is assigning comma, and here content. What is the content? Whatever the user enter, no, that one. This prompt. Now that prompt I want to display with st.chat_message. What message? User message colon st.write, which will display on the chat box. Now I need to response now. Response is equals to client.chat.completions.create. Create function I'm adding. This create function contains a model. No, this is the most important. This model is equals to, let me first write the GPT. Why I'm adding this model? Whatever the user enter in the text box, no, that AI don't understand. This AI model creates the tokens and token IDs to understand the AI. So messages is equals to st.sessionState.messages. Now display the answer here. Response dot choices array 0 dot message dot content. Now let's create the assistant also for the AI with st.chat_message st.write answer. Now let's write the final step to save all the session history, chat history, st.session state dot messages dot append method. In this append method, I am adding between curly brackets, just like how we added here the role, the same role I am adding, but this time I am adding for assistant, for AI. Role, not role, content. What content? Answer. This answer I want to display. That's it. It's a very basic coding. Let's save this file. File, save, go to view. We'll check the final output. Let's check the final output. I have used Streamlit now. First, I need to add that one. Streamlit bot.py. Enter. And here we got the final output. After failure 2 times, the code was correct, but the problem was the indentation in Python code. So let's write hi. See, here we got a message from the AI. Hello, how can I assist you today? What is RAG? What is RAG? See, here we got the messages here. Who is the Prime Minister India? That's it. If you like this video tutorial, please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.